Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your Windows PC. So first you need to go to your browser. So I'm using Chrome in this video. Then search Steam, right? Search Steam and then go to the first result. So basically this Steam is a gaming platform where you can find all sort of games. After coming to this website, you just need to install Steam on your computer. So press this button and then your Steam setup will be downloaded. Then press the setup and then type yes. So then you have to press next and then you have to install the game. I will not do the process because I have already installed Steam, but if you don't have Steam, just install it. And after installing Steam, you will find this logo. And for the first time, if you open Steam, you need to create an account, but I have already created an account. So if you haven't created one, then you just create an account. So let's open Steam. After opening Steam, you need to go to store here and then in the search box type Need for Speed Most Wanted. So you will find a lot of Need for Speed games. Just select the one you are searching for and then you will find this option called Add to Cart. Tap in Add to Cart, View My Cart and continue to payment. So you need to pay for this game, and after you have successfully purchased the game, your game will be visible on your library. So this is the library. Go just tap on the library and you will find your game somewhere in the library, and then you just need to tap the install button on your library. So yeah, that's how you download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your Windows computer.